Saan napupulutin itong si Maharlika? Maharlika. Ewan ko. Saan ito pupulutin? May bago na namang kaso. Naku, itong tao na ito, inuulan ng kaso, Si Mel Robles. Nagsampa na ng kaso dito ka Coffee. Ang general manager ng PCSO nagsampa po ng kaso sa Estados Unidos dahil dito kay Maharlika o kung ano man yan. Ito yung tagapagpakalat ng fake news na kinakagat naman nila Harry Roque, kinakagat ng mga DDS, kinakagat nila Digong yung fake news nito ni Maharlika. Ito din yung naglabas ng pulveron video Pero ngayon, naghahanap daw sila ng expert para i-verify kung totoo o hindi yung video. Kung di ba naman kayo damukal, saka nyo i-verify ngayon, nakakatawa dyan. Napakinggan ko na sinasabi ni Harry Roque. Si Maharlika daw ngayon, naghahanap ng expert para i-check kung verified, kung totoo daw ba itong video, kung ano na naman dyan. Depende kung sino ba kukuha nilang expert. Bakit ngayon yung gagawin yan? Nilabas nyo na agad. Sana, ginawa nyo muna yan bago nyo ilabas. Di ba? Malinaw naman talaga na gusto nilang sirain ang gobyerno. Saan napupulutin niya si Maharlika? Pang ilang kaso niya na yan? Ako, ang daming ribbon. Puro kaso. Si Maharlika. Nasa headline ng ABS-CBN, PCSO General Manager sues a vlogger in US Court for defamation. Ayan, sige, nandiyan ka. Nasa California daw yan O di dyan, sampahan siya ng kaso dyan. Akala ninyo, hindi kayo babalikan ha? Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office or PCSO General Manager Mel Robles and his wife, Sherwil Robles, have filed defamation and invasion of privacy charges against a vlogger, Grace Contreras, na mas kilala po sa tawag na Maharlika, in the Central District Court of California, dyan po sa Estados Unidos. Matitigil yan pag nabilanggo. Kung hindi man mabibilanggo, mahuli, makapagpiyansa, ayan, mapapahiya itong hitad na ito. According to Mel Robles, they decided to sue Contreras because their family had been affected by the baseless accusations made by the vlogger. Ayan. Ako, may stress na naman to si Maharlika kasi may sasagutin na naman siya. Diba? Yes, sige, manalo ka dyan dahil supportahan ka ng mga DDS. So sige, manalo ka dyan. Pero yung stress mo na naman dyan, biruin mo, ang dami nagkakaso sa'yo. Above and beyond anything else, these cases are about our quest for justice in the defense of our name, honor, integrity, and reputation, sabi ni Robles. For almost a year now, we have been subjected by Ms. Contreras to almost daily barrage of vicious, unjustifiable, and blatantly false online attacks on our YouTube channel, Boljack TV. Pinulutan na. Itong si Mel Robles, si First Lady, si PBBM, yung pinulutan na nila yan. Pero hindi sila pinapatulan ni PBBM Kasi mas lalong sasaya yung mga yan kapag pinatulan. Her actions have been characterized by malicious falsehood and derogatory remarks aimed at tarnishing our character and integrity. She has called me various names meant to deride and demean my person and sully my integrity, sabi ni Mel Robles. He also said that Contreras has accused him of embezzling public funds, contract killing, and assisting terrorists. So, grabe ha. Yung mga binibitawan dito ni Maharlika ha. Medyo mabibigat na kaso yan ha. Yan, panindigan nyo yan. O yan, tulungan mo na. Harry Roque, kailangan ni Maharlika ng magaling na abogado. International lawyer, yan, tulungan mo na siya. Huwag mo siyang iwanan dyan dahil baka mabilanggo. For the longest time, we tried to keep our peace, knowing fully well that all her accusations were nothing but sheer lies and fabrication, products of her vile imagination and hateful heart. Ayan, biruin mo ha, yung puso mo parang laging galit. Yan, characteristic siya ng mga DDS Lagi kayong galit, di ba? Stress kayo niyan. Nagdadagdag yan sa inyong stress Yung puso mo laging galit. Di ba? Maharlika, okay, yan mga bitter yung mga yan We are human beings and we can only take so much, sabi ni Robles. They decided to file the cases immediately after Contreras allegedly posted a picture of their daughter. Ay, nandamay pa. Pati yung anak, pinordated pa ata itong anak. Hindi mo na pinalampas. Grabe ka naman, Maharlika. She published the picture of my 13-year-old daughter, among other things, but I think that broke the camel's back. You are accusing me of hiring killers and committing murder. Did you expose my daughter? What if my daughter becomes a victim of a hate crime? Sabi ni Robles. Contreras has yet to release a statement. Definitely, hindi maglalabas ng statement yan. Hindi ko alam sa vlog niya kasi hindi ko pa napapanood eh. O kung naglabas siya ng statement patungkol dito sa kaso na ito ni Mel Robles. Dahil bago lang itong kaso na ito, ka-coffee, kaninang hapon lang nabasa natin itong article na ito, no? Mel picks counsel in debt defamation case. Mel Robles will be represented by lawyer Camille Vasquez, who also represented actor Johnny Depp in the widely publicized defamation case against her former wife na si Amber Heard. Nako, bigatin palang abogado. Ayan, labanan kayo ng resources dyan, ka-coffee. Labanan kayo ng resources. So, bigatin yung abogado ni Mel Robles dyan. I choose a very good lawyer whom I think has specialized sa ganitong klase ng reputation and brand management. Kasi kailangan makita niya na hindi ito biro. Just because you can, you will. She must be really good. It took a while before she took our case kasi pinag-aralan niya rin if it's a good case. At I think she saw the merit ng kaso, that's why she took the case, sabi ni Mel Robles. Oh, grabe pala, ganyan pala ang batayan yan ng abogado, no? May pinagano pa pala. May initial vetting pa palang naganap dyan bago tanggapin itong kaso na to. So kung hindi nakitaan ng merit yung kaso na yan, hindi pala tatanggapin itong abogado na ito ni Amber Heard. Ibig sabihin, medyo mabigat-bigat. Medyo may laban-laban dito si Mel Robles. Kaya tinanggap itong kaso na ito. Nako, may hihimas rehas na talaga dyan. Kumakaway-kaway na ang rehas kay Maharlika. Ayan ha. Hintay ka lang. Hintay ka lang. Yes, maraming DDS na tutulong dyan. Pero maganda rin na makita yan na nasa korte na dinidinig yung kaso niya. Association with Marcos admin reason behind the tax. According to the PCSO chief, his association with the current administration could be the reason he is target of Contreras' accusation as she is known critic of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kasi may hindi napagbigyan din yan. Kasi nung kampanya, kakampi naman yan eh. May mga hindi nakuha yan. Kaya nanggagalaiti ngayon yan. I think it is logical conclusion because I don't know her and she doesn't know me. The only consistent thing with her is that she maligns anything related to the administration. So it's safe conclusion, I think, sabi ni Robles. Totoo. Lahat issue. Lahat i-issuehin niya. Kahit may maganda gawing administrasyon, masama pa rin yan para sa kanya. According to the 23-page complaint filed by Robles couple, the case was filed in the Central District Court of California because the parties are of diverse citizenship and the amount in controversy exceeds $75,000. Malakihan pala ito ka-coffee. They also stress that the California court has jurisdiction over the case because Contreras resides in California and substantial parts of the events giving rise to the claim occurred in this judicial district as the defendant is based here and the statements at issue were published in this judicial district. Mel Robles meanwhile urged Contreras to face the cases filed against her. Kasi akala siguro nila, hindi tayo familiar dyan sa Korte ng Amerika, no? Pero malayong-malayo naman yan dito sa Korte natin. Akala nila dito na makapagtago-tago sila dyan tulad ng ginagawa ni Kibuloy. Yan. Pinatulan kayo. Dyan mismo nagsampa ng kaso sa Amerika. Sige, yan, taguan ninyo yan. Akala ninyo lulusot kayo dyan. Kasi kaya ganyan ka-confidence si Maharlika yan eh. Kasi nasa isip niya naman, hindi ako habulin. Nandito ako sa USA. Di ba? Hindi ako habulin ng mga yan. Kala niya dito sa Pilipinas, mautak-utak din itong si Mel Robles. May pera din yan eh. Di ba? Yan, punta tayo Amerika. Doon natin sampahan ng kaso yan. Naku po, mukhang mabilis-bilis ang justice system dyan sa justice system dyan sa Amerika. Mukhang makakahimas rehas sa ganitong si Maharlika. Cheryl Cabahog, back to you. Bitch daw, Maharlika. Yan, nakakita siya ng hinahanap niya. Imelda SB, hindi na matigil sa paninira sa mga tao, dapat masampulan na yan si Maharlika. Namimihasa na sa mga paninira, akala niya makakalusot siya. Correct. Thanks for correction. I thought the Binag last name is different from Binay, who is prominent in Makati City. Claire Elizabeth Foy. Yes, magkaiba po ha. Ma'am Neil de Galvez, please don't forget to like the video, mga ka-coffee. Thank you. Ma'am Neil de Galvez, no, kay Hermie San Miguel. Good morning, ka-coffee, watching from Las Vegas. Malapit nang umamin sa rehas na bakal si Harry Roque. Umimas sa rehas na bakal. Malapit-lapit na yan. Kasi ngayon nasa sentro na rin siya ng investigasyon itong PAOK eh. May kalalagyan na talaga itong si Harimau sa pinaggagawa niya. Policarpio Macasero, shoutout po sa inyo nakikinig sa Facebook. Kay Rodel Erenio, happy viewing po sa inyo. Kay Rodrigo Diaz, dapat lang sa kanila yung mga hambog kasi sila. Happy viewing sa inyo. Kay Connie Torres, nakikinig din po dyan sa Facebook. Shoutout po sa inyo. And thank you for tuning in.